Climbing to Success, a journey through English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, climbing to success. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's commonly used in both everyday conversation and professional contexts. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English language skills. So let's dive in and uncover the layers behind climbing to success. Climbing to success is a metaphorical phrase that paints a vivid picture of someone making a gradual but determined journey towards achieving their goals or dreams. Just like climbing a mountain requires effort, persistence, and strategy, achieving success involves similar challenges and obstacles. This phrase encapsulates the essence of the journey, emphasizing the process rather than the endpoint. The word climbing is crucial in this expression. Climbing is an action that involves moving upwards, often against gravity and through difficult terrain. It symbolizes progress and effort. In the context of achieving success, it represents the hard work, dedication, and resilience required to overcome challenges and reach new heights in one's personal or professional life. Now, let's talk about success. Success is a subjective term that means different things to different people. For some, it might be achieving a personal goal, like learning a new skill or improving a language. For others, it could mean professional achievements, such as starting a business or earning a promotion. The beauty of the phrase, climbing to success, is that it's inclusive. It applies to any type of success, no matter how big or small. You can use climbing to success in various contexts, such as motivational speeches, personal development discussions, or even casual conversations about goals and aspirations. It's a powerful way to encourage and inspire yourself and others to keep pushing forward, despite the difficulties that may arise. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and significance of the phrase, climbing to success. Remember, the journey to success is rarely easy, but with perseverance and determination, it's always possible to reach the top. Keep climbing, keep striving, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to success.